Hi there, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I go about making this V-part wig which I have on. So if you'd like to see how I go about making this very natural looking V-part wig, then please keep on watching this video. So you're going to be needing thread, of course. You're going to be needing a pair of scissors. You're going to be needing a needle. You're also going to be needing pins such as this, and of course you'll be needing your wig cap and the mannequin head to make this V-part wig. I'm just going to quickly put the wig cap on the mannequin head and secure it down with those pins, and then I'm going to turn it over to the back and fold in the flap of that wig cap, and then I'm just going to reach for that same pin and just pin it down. Then after I'm done doing that, I'm going to reach for my threaded needle and I'll start to sew down that flap which I folded in, just to make sure it's secure. The essence of me sewing down that flap is just to ensure that the wig doesn't seem to be too long towards the back. Done sewing down the flap of the wig cap, I'm just going to start by sewing, attaching the thread to the wig cap, and then I'm going to reach. Sometimes you might have like tangles such as this, but just try to walk with it, or you can choose to cut it out and fix sew the end of the thread and start the sewing again. But I just try to manage it. And then I'm just going to put the needle through the track and sew it down to the wig cap. I try to ensure that I really secure the weave on the wig cap. It's very important, particularly when you're just like starting out the sewing. So I just try to really ensure that I do like double knots on the track, attaching it to the wig cap. So then I just proceeded with sewing down the other part of the wig down to the wig cap. So when I get to one end of the weave, what I try to do is I tend to start to extend the weave upwards. Like I start to extend the sewing of the weave upwards, so that by the time I turn it down to face the other side, it kind of just falls flat. And I try to ensure that I sew really tightly towards that end so it falls flat. Then I keep on proceeding with the sewing. And then when you are sewing your weave onto the wig cap, always try to ensure that you just keep very little of the fabric. If it's a net, just go to very little, like it's just like a hole of the net, or probably 2 holes. That's just perfect. Because if you pick more than that, you might end up shrinking the size of the cap at the end, and you would only notice that after you finished making the wig. So it's more like after spending hours making the wig in question, it wouldn't be your size. So it's more like you have to start the process over again. So just try pick very little of the wig cap. So I'm just going to keep on adding more weaves to the ones I already sewed down, and just keep on sewing the weaves down onto the wig cap. really trying to ensure that I place more of the weave. I sew down more of the weave on the right side of the weave, because the V parts which I'm trying to like form on this weave is actually going to be on the left side. So it's more like the right side is going to have more hair sewed down compared to like the left side. That's the reason why I've kind of like extended the right side so much more than I have on the left side, which is this part which I'm showing you right now. So I'm just going to keep on sewing down the weaves onto the wig cap until I get to the up parts of the wig. Sewing the tracks very close to each other. The essence of it the way that is so that the wig comes out looking very full. So if you want your wig to be really full, just try to ensure that you sew your tracks as close to each other as possible. But then if you don't have enough weave, please don't even attempt this, because you end up having to cut out some of the wigs you already sewed, the weaves you already sewed down at the bottom parts in order to fill in the up parts. So the only reason why you'll be doing this is if you have enough weaves. That the V part is already taking form. Just going to keep on sewing down more weaves until cover everything up. So I'm just adding more of the weaves to the right part of the wig, just to fill up those pieces. Almost at the end of the week, so I'm just going to just reach for a brush and quickly just brush through the weaves which are already sewed down, and reach for more weaves and just keep sewing it down, just so that the part that is going to be open is just very small. And I really don't want to bring out so much of my hair. That's the reason why I'm maybe like closing up the parts a lot. But then after I'm done sewing down that weave, I'm going to need to cut through the open parts, which I'm of course going to show you guys. So just keep on sewing down. I cut that track right there, I'm just going to try and ensure that I really sew it down tightly there, just so that it doesn't promote shedding on that part of the wig. I'm just going to make sure I really tie it down and ensure it's very secure. So guys, this is what the wig looks like on me. I'm just trying to ensure that I really get where I'm going to have to, like, you know, bring out my natural hair, and I'm just trying to, like, you know, cut through the V part on my hair, just so that I really get the placement of where I'm gonna have to bring my hair out at. So at least now I just got it, so I have to loosen my hair there. Then next, I'm just trying to sew down the wig pins onto the parts of the wig where I cut out. I'm just trying to sew down those wig pins. But I'm going to do that on just both sides of the wig, just at the part where I'm going to need to into my hair. Then I always like to kind of like just join it back in a bit towards like the end of the pattern of the V part. I'm just trying to, like, you know, close it up a bit. I don't really like my pattern being so deep in, so I'm just going to sew it down just to shorten in the pattern. So I already brought out the hair which I'm going to be leaving out, and I kind of retouched it just so that it's well retouched and all. And now I'm just going to be clipping on the wig onto that wig which I have right there. I like to always plait my hair in all back when I'm doing like the wig part, just so that when I plait it all back, it's kind of like a brush, so that it just kind of looks like it looks more natural when I clip my hair like this. So I'm also just going to clip in the wig comb onto the other side of my hair. I'm really sorry, my camera wasn't in good position. That's the reason why I'm not really seeing the whole process. So I'm just trying to like clip on the wig clips at the back of my head. So next, I'm just going to reach for my threaded needle, and I'm just going to try to secure the V-part wig onto my hair by sewing down the sides of the wig onto the ribbon I have right there. I'm just trying to ensure that it's really like secure on my hair, because I'm going to be carrying this wig for a week, so I just want to secure my hair. I don't want to have to go through the stress of putting it on in the morning, laying it flat and all. So I'm sewing it down just so that it's secured on my head. But I'm only going to just sew down the front part of the wig so that by the time I'm loosening it, when I want to loosen it, it's not going to be difficult for me to like take it off. So I'll just secure it on both sides in the front. But be careful when you're doing it so you don't just take it like trick yourself. So I'm just using the head of my needle just to like form a pattern on my hair. I already used like my stretcher to straighten my hair, so I'm pretty much doing it to be straightening my hair again in this video. So I'm just using my comb just to comb through my hair just to ensure that my hair covers the wig well. Then I'm using my Eco Styler gel just to brush down my edges to make sure everything looks really neat. Down. I'm just trying to like just brush through my weave. Then next I tied down my hair with a scarf just to ensure that everything falls down flat. Then I'm just gonna go back to my comb just to comb through it so that it kind of looks more natural. It doesn't look pressed down at all. So guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and also hit the post notification bell so that you get notified first when I post a new video on my channel. Thanks so much for watching this video, and if you did enjoy it, please share it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.